Well, now moving further, we would like to introduce you with a university one-to-one. And you know how it's going to be happening? So we have Parul University here. They will be showcasing a video to all of you. And you all know that Parul University is the name to reckon with if we talk about education, if we talk about innovation, and of course, entertainment as well. Because no education is complete without the entertainment. So we're going to be talking about infotainment, that is information and entertainment. So we'll be having a small video for all of you by the Parul University, Vadodara, Gujarat. Can we have the video, please?
Western India's largest private university. A unique 20-feet structure which ushers you into an atmosphere of academic excellence and an aura of creativity and student innovation. Welcome to Parul University, a premier higher educational institution founded in 2003 as a constituent group of institutes and continued making its mark of excellence till the date of its establishment as Parul University in 2015. Parul University has risen to become a comprehensive center of learning towards shaping and nurturing the young minds of India and of the world into effective and competent resources for furthering national and global development.
At Parul University, I believe education is inspired by another unique academic philosophy. You see, all the inventions in the field of engineering, science, pharmacy, or any other field, they all began as problems. And we found solutions to these problems. And today, these inventions are part of our day-to-day life. In the same way, at Parul University, we present our students with contemporary problems faced by our society, our nation, and our world. And through our teaching learning processes, we make our students discover the solutions to these problems. And we train our students in such a way that they themselves become solutions for our nation through their skill sets. And this process has led to certain groundbreaking records for Parul University in terms of placements, entrepreneurship, research, and innovation. Our students have been recruited by the most credible organizations of the world such as Google, Facebook, and Amazon. Our students are selected by civil services and government jobs, and this has led to recognition of best university in terms of placements by 𝗟𝗶𝗹𝗃. The startups nurtured by Parul University are generating a revenue of 20 crores annually. And I am very happy to tell you that
engaging and refreshing facilities such as sporting grounds, food courts, indoor and outdoor courts, swimming pools, gymnasium, amongst others. As a way of facilitating a guided learning experience, Parul University has put together top-notch faculties and expert researchers from national leading institutes such as IITs, NITs and IIMs.
Parul University is an amalgamation of 21 faculties and 34 institutions, through which we offer about 250 degree programs at different levels. We have provided the best of the teaching faculty to our students. We have about 2,000 faculty members, which makes our student-teacher ratio most optimum at 1:14. We have provided the best learning experience to students by combining the traditional principles of education with those of the modern standards. We have provided digital facilities in all our classrooms. We also know that the learning goes beyond the classroom situation. So we have provided the state-of-art laboratories to our students through which they can get hands-on experience. As a matter of fact, we have provided such course curriculum which are prepared by the best experts in the field.
Beyond the in-campus learning experience, one of the areas through which Parul University has made strides over time has been the way in which the university has managed to put Indian education on the global map through its agenda for internationalization. The university has been creating avenues of international cooperation with some of the leading institutions across Switzerland, United States of America, Canada, Russia, Poland, Greece, Czech Republic, amongst other nations. These avenues have been providing for Parul University students endless opportunities through exchange programs and various research collaborations.
The world is a global village, and at Parul University, we provide international opportunities to each and every student through our more than 75 collaborations with Europe, US, UK, Canada, Australia, and many other countries. We organize inbound and outbound mobility programs in which professors and students from Parul University get an opportunity to visit international university for academic purposes. While at the same time, international professors and students come to Parul University and experience India. We also have research collaborations with various institutions such as European Union-led capacity building program Time2Grow, which involved 5 European partner universities. I firmly believe that world is not restricted to classroom teaching, and at Parul University, the entire world is our classroom.
Parul University has been focusing on the overall development of the students, and one of the ways through which the university has made this possible is through its unique blend of extracurricular and co-curricular activities. Through such events, the university has been bringing its motto to life by creating within the campus a unique atmosphere of vibrancy. From the modern DJ nights to the cultural Navratri celebrations, the university strives to provide for the students a unique platform for student expression. As a way of providing the students with the most fulfilling exposure to the real world, Parul University has developed a culture of inviting the most renowned celebrities and national icons for inspiring and motivating the students towards academic success. Annual cultural festivals such as 𝗟𝗏 have been creating the most unique platform of cultural expression through dance, drama, music and sports. While technical festivals such as Projections and Tech Expo have been providing innovative platforms to over 15,000 students. As a way of providing the students with an energizing learning experience, the university has also put in place facilities for indoor and outdoor sports, where students get to bring out their inner athleticism.
Being an international student from Zimbabwe, all the way in Africa, and coming to study in India, one of my main concerns was to find a place that would give me the finest academic exposure, while at the same time creating for me a campus atmosphere where I'll feel at home and comfortable. And Parul University has been that ideal learning space where I've gotten to learn with over 1,200 students from 53 nationalities. And not only that, be it from the time I spend in the classrooms to the time I spend in the gym, or be it the library, or be it the canteen, every campus experience provides for me an ideal space of learning and constant engagement.
The university students have been known for bagging prominent careers even before they graduate. And this has been made possible through Parul University's unique curriculum, which focuses on shaping and developing the students' practical and professional competencies from the initial stage of their academics. Parul University has also managed to create a firm bridge between the industry and academia through numerous industry collaborations. These ties have allowed the students of PU to gain an enriching practical exposure through various internships and apprenticeships. The university has also been inviting prominent industrial experts to guide the students in various seminars and conclaves. At present, Parul University has placed over 15,000 students in about 1,500 of the leading companies and organizations, with lucrative packages of up to 18 lakhs. Its dedicated career development cell has made professional and skill development an essential part of the university's learning culture. For Parul University, these strides of educational excellence have been made possible through its strategically designed cells of academic support. These include the Armed Forces Motivational Cell, Competent Examination Cell, Entrepreneurship Development Cell, Placement Cell, Women Development Cell, International Students Affairs Cell, International Relations Cell, Career Development Cell, Teachers Training Cell, and Executive Development Cell, all designed to guarantee the epitome of student development. Parul University, a place where infinite dreams are fulfilled.